If you've been on the lookout for an AI builder that promises to simplify your development process, you might have come across Base44. But is it really worth your time? Let's dive into what this platform actually delivers. Base44 aims to provide a user-friendly interface for building and deploying AI applications. At its core, it offers tools for both developers and non-developers to create AI-driven solutions without needing deep technical knowledge. The platform focuses on making AI accessible, which is a big plus for those who might feel intimidated by coding. Navigating through the site, you'll notice a clean design that highlights its features such as easy integration with existing workflows and pre-built templates. However, while the concept is appealing, the depth of information on how these features work in practice feels a bit shallow. For instance, there's limited insight into the customization options available once you start using the templates. Overall, it feels like Base44 is trying to cater to a wide audience, but some users may find themselves wanting more detail on how to leverage the platform fully. Let's break down the strengths and weaknesses. On the positive side, Base44 is definitely user-friendly, making it a good choice for beginners who are just dipping their toes into AI. The integration capabilities are also promising, which could save users a lot of time. However, there are some notable downsides. The lack of detailed documentation and user feedback raises some trust concerns. It's hard to gauge how effective the platform is in real-world applications without more testimonials or case studies. Additionally, experienced developers might find the platform limiting, especially if they're looking for advanced features. In short, while Base44 has a solid foundation, it might not cater well to everyone, particularly those seeking in-depth customization or robust support. So, who should consider Base44? If you're a beginner looking to explore AI without a steep learning curve, it could be worth a try. But if you're an experienced developer needing advanced tools, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, proceed with caution and do your research before diving in.